Hi, this is a course on flipped classroom. This course is handled by Arun Kumar, myself. We will just look into what flipped classroom is, and just we will have a course which will explain on how to create a flipped classroom. So, how to flip a classroom? The core contents are just what we do commonly in our traditional classrooms. We have to prepare, we have to create something, what to be presented to students. Instead of presenting that to students, we have to capture it and distribute it. Capture the videos and distribute the videos to students. Then in the classroom back, we will discuss the contents. So regarding the preparation for the class, we have to get all the contents ready. We have to organize what to be taught, what kind of methodology to be used for the lesson, whether we have to show some slideshows, whether we have to show some equations, what all we have to teach and what all we have to show. We have to organize them and prepare the topic well before. As usual, for even in traditional classroom, we have to be prepared on what to be talked or what to be screened. Further, next we have to create some slide presentations, like it should contain some slide like this. We have to create some pictures, we have to add text to it, we have to add animations. When the slide is ready, we have to present it. While presenting, we can capture the same with some free softwares like Screencastomatic, which I am using currently. Screencastomatic, that this one. Then we can create a short video of our lesson. Now we can distribute the lessons. When the video is ready, we can distribute the lesson. We can send it to students. Either we can have a course website, or through social media, or any other method. Even we copy it to students using CD or pen drive, like that. Now in the classroom, we have to discuss about the application level, or we have to analyze what the students have already got from the concept, and we have to evaluate the students for what they have learned. Now we will discuss the flipped classroom based on Bloom's taxonomy. Like what we said, we are just creating the knowledge and comprehension only at home. We are giving the lesson completely to the students at home. That will be done at home, and what we are doing in the class is we will go to the application level. What the concepts are learned, we will application level, we will just find it, we will analyze them, then synthesis and evaluation, and that 4 stages happen in the classroom. At home only knowledge creation and comprehension will be handled. That's all for now. Thank you.